Hey, let's go back to work. Next in line is Bobby from Orlando. Bobby, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Hey, Tom. I love the show.
Thank
Quick
you.
question and comment if I have the time. The question is, when I get the will and everything done with you, if I move within the state of Florida, especially like to a different county, even though it's next door, does that change the will at all, or is everything still valid?
No, any document that I would do for you here in Orange County would be good anywhere in the state of Florida, even if you change counties.
Okay, and my comment is, during that Scooters for Hooters ride you did a couple weeks ago,
Yeah.
I think I saw you go by, and if I did, I want to commend you on your reaction time because I was over by the Publix there at College Park at the sub shop, and if I saw you, I believe I did, you had to slow up real fast because people ahead of you weren't paying attention, I guess. You had to do a quick reaction move, and I believe that was you. I don't know for sure, though.
Thank you, Bobby. I appreciate it. I tell you, when I ride my scooter, I am super careful, super defensive. And, Krista, we have a lot of fun on our scooter, but it is about being safe, yes.
Absolutely.
Yes. Thank you, Bobby. We appreciate it.